8th English medium. We are busy with chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. In that we started exercise 2.5 in the last video, in which the equations are reduced to the simpler form. We did first and second sum. Now I am taking the fourth sum. Whatever the sums will remain, you have to do it for homework. So third will be for homework. Fourth, now here you will see that there are two sides, both sides, the only numerator, denominator. And therefore in this situation, we have to do cross multiplication. So by doing cross multiplication, you know what is cross multiplication means. This will multiply by this will be multiplied with that. So we will take 5 multiplied by x minus 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Now we learn the distributive property that when there is a multiplication sign, outside and inside there is either plus or minus. The number outside will be multiplied with both of them. Therefore, here 5 will be multiplied with x means 5x minus 5 5s are 25. Similarly, 3 multiplied by x means 3x minus 3 3s are 9. So here, as you know, when you open the bracket, the number outside must be multiplied with both of the terms inside. So now, transposing, so 3x will come this side, so 5x minus 3x, because no sign means it is plus. Then we can take 25 that side, but 9 is that already minus 9. So minus 25 will become plus 25 on this side. So now we have to simplify. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. Now minus 9 plus 25, opposite signs. When the opposite sign, we have to subtract smaller from greater. So 25 minus 9, how much? 16. But greater number is plus, so it will be plus 16 only. Then 2 will go that side and it will go to the denominator. So 2 8s are 16. So your answer is x is equal to 8. So when there is only one term both sides, not plus in the middle like 3 by 2 plus 5 upon x plus, that time then you can't do this. But direct like that, whole thing is down like that, then you can do the cross multiplication. Then it is very, very easier for us. So that was question number 4. Now we will take another example like a sixth one. Is little difficult, so I am taking the sixth one. Sixth one is m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. So here you can't do cross multiplication. Why? Because look here, there are two terms here also. So here cross multiplication is not possible like in the sum. So now in this situation we find the LCM of the denominators and multiply all the terms by that LCM. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So multiplying all the terms by 6. So we will get, therefore, 6 multiplied by m minus 6 multiplied by m minus 1 upon 2. This is a big term, so you have to write down in the bracket so that there is no confusion. 6 multiplied by 1 minus, here also make the bracket m minus 2 upon 3. Now between the term only you can do the cancellation. 6 multiplied m is 6m. Here you can see that 2 3s are 6, because they are alone you can cancel it. So minus 3 into bracket m minus 1. So by multiplying that, what can we do? We can remove the denominator. Now is equal to 6 ones are 6 minus, here also you can see that. So minus 2 into bracket m minus 2, 3 2s are 6. We can do the cancellation. So now it is reduced. Just you have to open those two brackets and then bring them together. So now 6m minus, now same that we did here, open the bracket. 3 will be multiplied with both of them, means minus 3m. But here there is a dangerous point. Then when there is minus sign outside the bracket, when you open the bracket, the inside sign will be changed. If it is minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So here it is minus, so minus minus will become plus. 3 ones are 3. If you forget that to change the sign, you will get wrong answer. Similarly, this side also 6, here also minus sign. So 2 multiplied by m is 2m, and minus minus becomes plus. 2 2s are 4. That is very important. Most of the students, sometimes clever students, are also forgetting to change the sign when there is negative sign outside the bracket. So whenever you make bracket or you open the bracket, that time what will happen? It should be, sign should be changed here. Now simplify. 6m minus 3m is 3m plus 3. 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2m. Bring the m this side, so 3m minus 2m plus 2m becomes plus 2m, and 10 plus 3 goes that side, becomes minus 3. So 3m plus 2m is 5m. 10 minus 3 is 7. So you get m is equal to 7 upon 5. So what I explained you, that very important. First take the LCM, multiply all the terms by that LCM, then multiplying whatever is cancellation, then open the bracket. But while opening the bracket, be careful to change the sign inside, and then it is simple. Now from 7 to 10 there is a common given, that simplify and solve the following equations. So we will take one by one. Question number 7 first. It is given that 3 into bracket t minus 3 is equal to 5 into bracket 2t plus 5. So here it is very simple, because no denominator, that when there is no denominator it is less effort. Only we have to open the bracket by distributive property. So here 3 is outside, so 3 will be multiplied with both of them, and here there is no negative sign, so we don't have to worry. Whatever sign is there, you have to write down. So 3 multiplied by 3 will be 3t, minus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, is equal to, now 5 also will be multiplied with both of the terms inside. 5 multiplied by 2t, so 5 2s are 10t, plus sign 5 1s are 5. Simple. Now arranging the terms like T, terms with the T on the LHS, others on RHS. Therefore 3T, 10T becomes here minus 10T. 5 is plus, so you can write down only 5. And minus 9 will become plus 9. So 3T minus 10T. What is 3T minus 10T? Here opposite sign. Subtraction means 10 minus 3, 7T. But here 10T is bigger number. And always sign of the bigger number means minus 7T. Is equal to, now it is very simple, 9 plus 5, 14. Now minus 7 will go that side. Therefore T is equal to 14. Minus and you can put either side, numerator or denominator or in the middle, doesn't make a difference. So now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So you get T is equal to negative 2. So your answer is T is equal to minus 2. Very, very simple sum. Now we will take the 8th one. 8th one says 15 into bracket y minus 4. Minus 2 into bracket y minus 9 plus 5 into bracket y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here everything is on the LHS. So one by one, just we have to open the bracket, then arrange them. So here we will get distributivity 15y minus 15 fours are 60. But here there is a danger again. Why? Minus sign. When there is minus sign, you must remember the operation theatre. There is red light outside. If you make mistake, patient will die. So here you have to don't make mistake. You have to change them. So now minus 2 into y is 2y, and minus minus becomes plus. 2 nines will be 18. But here there is plus sign. Don't have to worry. So plus 5y plus 5 6 30 is equal to 0. Now we will just rearrange the term. Bring y together. Therefore, now here we are rearranging only. It means that we don't have to change the sign. When we change the sign, only when you go from left to right of the equality sign or from right to left of the equality sign. Here we are only rearranging on the LHS. So don't change the sign, only bring them together. So 15y minus 2y plus 5y is equal to, now all the digits we will take that side, but here they are going that side. We have to change the sign. So minus 60 will become 60, plus 18 will become minus 18, and plus 30 will become minus 30. Because we want to keep the terms with y on the LHS and the other at the other side. So here we didn't change the sign because they are only in the LHS. Just we change the place only. But this digits gone other side. So we have to change the sign. So now 15y minus 2y is 13y, and 13 plus 5 will be 18y. Right? So here it will be 18y is equal to 60 minus 18. First you have to do that. 60 minus 18. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So 42, and then again minus 30. So 2 minus 0, 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. So your answer is 18y is equal to 12. And then we have to just simplify for the answer. Therefore, y is equal to 12 upon 18. Now cancellation. 6 2s are 6 3s are. So you get y is equal to 2 upon 3. That will be your answer. So only to remember thing is that first thing here, when you open minus sign, problem. And the second thing, when you rearrange, also, if you're not changing the sign from LHS to RHS, you don't need to change the sign. So here, your 15y minus 2y plus 5 is the same, but 60, 18 and 30 gone other side. So we have to change the sign. Now let's take the 10th one. 9th one you can do at homework. 9th one you can do at homework. Now we will take the 10th one. I choose 10th one because there is point inside. Means decimal point there. 0.25 into bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into bracket 10f minus 9. Actually, it is also not a difficult. It look like that. Oh, how can we do that? 0.25 multiplied by 4f. But we will convert it into simpler form. How? We know that we learn in the previous standards that when there is a decimal number, you can convert it into simple fractions. How? If it is a decimal place 1, you put 10 in the denominator. Here there are 2 decimal places. So we have to put 100. So we can write down 25 upon 100 into bracket 4f minus 3. Here also, there is 2 decimal place, means 5 upon 100, 10f minus 9. Now you can see that both sides there is 100 in the denominator. So you can cancel them. Because if you take 100 this side to this side, it will go in the numerator. So both 100 can be cancelled here. So now only simple. 25 into bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 into bracket 10f minus 9. So it becomes like a first sum, like 7 sum. Same, look there. Only now we have to bracket, opening bracket and then simplify. So now 25 4s are 100f minus 25 3s are 75 is equal to 5 10s are 50f minus 5 9s are 45. Bring the term with f this side. So 100f minus 50f is equal to minus 45 plus 75. 100 minus 50 is 50. So 50f. 75 minus 45. Greater minus smaller. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 30. And greater number sign is plus. So f is equal to 30 upon 50. You can cancel zeros. So your final answer is f is equal to 3 upon 5. So now, whenever there is a point, you don't have to worry. Don't think, oh, it is very difficult. You convert it into the decimal to fraction and then your denominator is already gone. And so, then it is simplified, same like that question number 7. Right? So here we are going to finish the video, and after this video you will get PDF also, but that PDF will be on your school app, our AB school app. So after this video you have to check that PDF file, Whatever is PDF in the PDF file, you must write down in your notebook. Maybe there is some homework also will be given. So that you have to do in your fair notebook. Any problem, any misunderstanding, any questions, confusions, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.